Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for clear sound English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman New Course Shorthand Book. Exercise number 116. Start. Number 1. Gentlemen, we are anxious to receive the pens which, according to your invoice of 14th November, were sent by post 5 days ago. Full stop. We presume that the parcel was sent by registered post. Full stop. New para. In answer to our inquiry, the post office here says that the package has not yet been received. Full stop. Do you think that there has been mistake in addressing it? Question mark. Yours very truly, Number 2. Gentlemen, we are sorry to learn that the package we sent to you by registered post on 14th November has not been received. Full stop. Promptly upon receipt of your note, we sent a duplicate. Full stop. It is possible, of course, that the label was incorrectly addressed, but we do not think that there is any likelihood that this is the case. Full stop. We are asking the postal authorities to institute a search for the lost parcel, and no doubt they will be able to find it. Full stop. New para. Meanwhile, if the original package is delivered to you, will you kindly return it to us? Full stop. The cost of postage will be sent to you, or you can make an adjustment in your account when you post your check. Full stop. Very truly yours,